Instagram recently launched a new feature called Instagram Notes, but you probably can't see that, right? That's why you're watching this video. So don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Okay, first of all, let me go through my Instagram and uh, give you a quick demo what this Instagram Note is about. So if I go to my home and click on messages, you can see on the top of my messages, I can see a little leave a note icon. So if I click on it, I can type something. Let's say I can type test, and I can either share it with followers you follow back, or close friends. So if I click on close friends, I can select the friends I need to share it with. So if I click on it and click done, and I'm going to share it, as you can see, note has been shared. So now my friend can see the note and respond to it. Okay. So if you want to delete the note, if you mistakenly add a note and you want to delete it, what you need to do is come back to these messages and click on the note and click delete note. That's it. So if you are not seeing this feature, that means you have some way to fix it. But if it is not there after all the fixes, that means this feature is not in your region yet. So it will be updated by like a few days after few weeks, depending on the region you in. Okay, the first thing we can do is to go into your app store and update the Instagram app. So go to app store and type Instagram, and when you come here, it will be show this button show will be as update Instagram update. So if you click on that update button, it will update the Instagram app and install the updated version. So right now I have already updated, so that's why it's showing me the open button. But if you are not updated, it will show the update button. So just update it and go back to your Instagram and see whether the feature is there or not. The second thing you can do is you can go to App Store or Play Store and go to Instagram and scroll down. And if you are using Android, you will be able to see a section called Join to Beta Developer section. So if you join to that developer beta version, you can get the Instagram beta app. And I don't have an Android app, Android phone right now. I will put a screenshot here, and it will show how to join into Instagram beta version. What the Instagram beta version means, they will put what they are working on first to the beta, then to the public. So if you are subscribed to the beta version, it will get all the features before everyone else get it. Another way you can fix this issue is go to your settings and scroll down until you see Instagram. So go to Instagram and click on this background app refresh, turn it off and turn it on back, and restart your phone. Then check on afterward whether the Instagram feature is there or not. If you've done all those things, all those fixes I have talked about, and it's still not showing up your in your messages section in Instagram, what you can do is go to Instagram and you can go to your profile, click on the three dot icon, then go to settings, then go to help and report this problem. So go to report the problem and click on report problem without shaking, then click include and continue, then type something like this: hi, I don't see Instagram note in my app. Could you please help me to enable the Instagram notes on my Instagram? Thanks. They will be check on this report problem, and they will be response back whether it is enabled or not. So after all those things, if it is not there, that means this Instagram new feature haven't reached your region yet. So wait a couple of weeks or couple of days and update your Instagram app every day or whenever the update is there. Then you will be able to see the new Instagram Note, the new feature of Instagram Note. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. I think this video helpful way to find out how to fix this Instagram not showing up on your Instagram. So if that's the case, like this video, subscribe this channel and share with your friends so they can also fix their issues as well. Okay, see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.